This is the most complicated RC I've ever seen. It's an amazing amount of work. But my truck also chatters when turning. Bent shaft, broken shaft. The wires are hanging down. 2 screws are in the back panel. 2 screws are on the side. And 4 screws are in the bottom. That takes a lot of work. I guess the resistance when I try to slide it better. Oh, I had some wire in the way. Look how thick the body is. It can run up to 2 Challeco in this truck. Looks so scary. Let's talk more about details.